Experiencing issues activating your AT&T service? You're not alone. Activation problems often stem from device setup or carrier errors. First, ensure your device is compatible with AT&T's network, especially if it's an older model. For physical SIM cards, double-check that it's correctly inserted. If using an eSIM, common on newer iPhones and Androids, verify that you've scanned the QR code provided by AT&T and that the download completed successfully. Check AT&T's status page, at.com/status, for any reported outages in your area, as network issues are a frequent cause of activation failures. Also, confirm your account is in good standing and that all billing information is up to date, as unpaid balances can prevent activation. If initial steps don't work, try resetting your device's network settings. This clears out old network configurations that may be interfering. If you suspect a faulty SIM card, visit an AT&T store for a replacement. For physical SIMs, the cost is $10-25. For network-related issues, try switching to LTE-only mode in your phone's settings to bypass potential 5G congestion. If problems persist, contact AT&T support. Dial 228 for older phones or use their live chat feature on their website. Looking ahead, activation is becoming increasingly automated with the rise of eSIMs and AI-assisted troubleshooting. By 2030, expect seamless auto activation with 6G integration, but cybersecurity will be a growing concern.